There's a little bird, let somebody send down to the earth to live on the wind, born on the wind, and he sleeps on